Hi there, in this tutorial we're going to set up our Spider IDE so that when we are using the files are easy to find and they're easy to refer to. I'll call it setting up the coding environment. We only have to do it once and it should save us a few headaches as we progress.
So if I open up File Explorer, the location where I've stored all of the files related to the assessment task is inside a Dropbox account. You don't have to, but I'm going to work locally with this. So if I click on the assessment task, I'm going to just copy and paste the files that I want into a local location. You can see that with Excel here there are two different icons. The ones with all the bars are Microsoft Excel worksheets, as you can see. The ones with the A and the comma are comma separated value files, so CSV files. The ones that I want to copy are the ones that say Koalabase 2017, so I'm going to click on that. I also want Koalabase 1996 to 2017, which is the version of the data set that you download directly from the government website. So I want to choose that one. And then I want to have my three Python files, Python data 1, Python data 2, Python data 3. So once I've got those 5 files, that's all I need. I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy them. Now I'm going to put them inside my local disk. Now it will be different for you. I'm going to go inside users, I'm going to go inside shabby, and inside here I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it Python. I'll open that up and I'm going to paste them into there. So I have my 5 files now in a location where I can use them quite easily and refer to them quite easily. That's the important part. With your students, you may want them to put them into a network drive, and that's fine as well. Probably better in a network drive than on their local computer. If other students can use that computer and get to their files and delete them, that wouldn't be much good. So I'm happy with this. Now I'm ready to open my program and start interrogating the data set that we have been working with inside of Excel, that being the Koalabase 2017. Okay, we'll start doing that in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.